Walt Disney World Resort in Orlando, Florida, home to 4 of the greatest theme parks in the world. Animal Kingdom, Hollywood Studios, Epcot, and of course, Magic Kingdom. Some of the best entertainment and dining in the world are located with the mouse. But Disney's magic and wonder doesn't stop there. Disney houses some of the most exciting, fun, and thrilling rides ever created. And together we'll experience every single one of them. From the thrilling to the chilling. From the highest to the flyest. From the fastest to the slowest. We'll cover all the incredible rides with in-depth information, as well as an up-close look to make you feel like you're sitting right there. It's the Disney Ride-Along series. Let's go for a ride. What is going on, everyone? We are back for another episode of Disney Ride-Along, and today we are here at Disney's Animal Kingdom, and we are going to be riding none other than Kali River Rapids. It's a water ride, kind of a whitewater rafting ride here at Animal Kingdom. It's a lot of fun. We're going to go in the queue, we'll look at the queue, we'll talk about the ride, and then we'll take a ride on Kali River Rapids. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. We do these ride-alongs every Thursday at 4 p.m., so check us out. We do live streams on the weekend as well. And caution, you may get wet on this ride. Here we go. Kali River Rapids debuted in March 18th, 1999. The ride is a whitewater raft ride through a lush Asian rainforest where guests eventually encounter dangers of a logging site. The vehicles sit up to 12 guests, and you'll probably be sharing the vehicle with other families if you have a smaller group with you. Oh, and one other thing, you will definitely get wet. Now, over the years, there really haven't been any changes to this ride other than the name change. Originally, Disney was going to call this Tiger Rapids Run, but later changed it to Kali River Rapids. Now, if you notice on the sign, there's still a tiger on the sign, so that's kind of neat. That kind of gives you a nod to what the name was originally going to be. As for the queue itself, the first part of the queue is outdoors and winds through a jungle before heading inside to the rafting offices where the theming really takes off. The inside part of the queue is incredibly detailed, immersive, and helps tell the story. It's really, really nice inside. Tons of little details. Kind of reminds me of Expedition Everest a little bit. Now, fun fact about this ride, there used to be a fire effect on certain sections of the ride. It hasn't been in operation for a few years, and we're not really sure if it'll ever return, but it was pretty cool when they did have it. Also, each raft has a different name, so be sure to look for the name of your raft next time you ride the ride. I didn't know that. The small details are just amazing with Disney. Now, also one other thing, they do have a section outside of the ride for lockers. So if you have electronics or things like that you don't want to get wet, they do have lockers that you can get from Disney. You can get a standard locker that won't cost you anything, or you can get a larger locker for I think $4 or $2. It should show it right on the screen there. Wheelchair accessibility, there is none. You do have to transfer to get on this ride. And now, let's ride Kali River Rapids. Enjoy.
Hello, my friends. To make sure your expedition is a safe one, stay seated with your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the raft. And that's an exciting journey. Para sa
Oh no, here we go. Oh! That was a problem. Waterfall. Uh-oh. Oh! Oh no! Oh! That was good. That got me good. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh my gosh, my phone. Camera's getting wet. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I am pretty wet. Oh my God, my camera is getting killed. Oh my head. And that, my friends, is your ride, wet ride on the Kali River Rapids. It's really actually a fun ride. Wetness scale is really going to just depend. It's hit or miss, kind of like some of these other rides. It's a hit or miss when you get wet. We got pretty wet, not too bad, but for the most part we got some wetness on us. It was fun. It's a fun ride. One drop really, but overall it's a lot of fun. Fast pass? No fast pass for this. You saw how quickly we got on this ride. Family friendly for the whole family? I think so. I think it's a lot of fun. It's not too rough. It's a lot of fun. It's quick. It won't be too long. I think this is definitely for the whole family. But there you go. That's our ride on Kali River Rapids, if I can say the words. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun bringing it to you. Keep riding those rides and attractions. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe to the channel. And until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. We'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.